Guys, nazi indaba zikaThabo Bester, who was just very quiet in court, akujwayelekile. Because simazi efuna ukurepresent or doing something. So uyayazi ngithi case yabo with uNandipha has been trying for the past at least a year. To a kidnapper. Guys, like, who kidnaps you when you ran away from your country and then went to Tanzania? Because someone was even laughing at them. From Zimbabwe, they were actually walking on foot. I was just like, yeah, because it's just so wrong in so many ways. And then you are in Tanzania. We extradite you. Sagbuyisa Laikaya. And then the next thing man says a kidnapping. And you've been trying, you've been losing. I think she lost 2 times now. Until last month in May, she said she was taking them to Concord. After Ebone Wani, ex-boyfriend, they are exes now, and Thabo Bester. Ebone ex-boyfriend, and it's when he took to Concord as well to say, Ufune laptop. This is the same guy who used the laptop to escape and who's been stealing people's money, scamming people like you've never seen with that laptop. He was sitting on that laptop at New York. Zoom puti wako. Thabo Bester. So they were in court again. Just couldn't do the video because it was hectic ngapha kuSenzo Mayo on What's the Tea. Hectic. So I couldn't do that video. And then the next thing, one of them was released. Because honestly, all those guys that were at Mangaung working for G-Force and all of that in that prison. I know, let's pass. When you sub 7, you're not even thinking this is a syndicate inside prison. By 7 son or Thabo Bester inside Parat. You're not even thinking, you're just like, I'm at work. But still Thabo Bester. When are you thinking it's one of the other people? This guy has been in jail for how long? Remember that other girl was actually released who didn't know what was going on. Bam release, and chances are she still doesn't have a job because I really don't think he went back to G4S to work there at Mangaung prison. So yeah, know how your life can just be ruined by people you know nothing about. Thabo Bester is the same guy. OYA Facebook K, and then aphinde futhi enza izinto ezingekho right. He's done so many things. Thabo Bester was actually arrested for unaliving some lady. I'm sure we can say so. I figure watchela at the foyer there, or should I say at the reception. What listen, kona umuntu angifuni disturb. Esembulalile umsasela amakhadi akhe umsasela yonke into iqola le ndoda. Phoqololo. Phela into abiphila ngayo this guy. And then omunye wakwangkwatela ngithi mina he's very smart. Thabo Bester nokugcina ka grade 5. Wathi pho kungena block. Kangena ngoba people have believed him. Becabanga ukuthi Tom New York, he owns like a production company. Ebaqedile abantu. Thabo Bester has done so many things. This is the same person who told no, actually, you owe me my 3 million rands worth of things that you took in Tanzania. Mesebal, I'm a laptop, iPhones. At the time, I think it was 12 now. Yeah, iPhone that they took, and then my Rolex watch. I'm just like, those things are not yours. You stole them. You were scamming people, parent. Why? It's upset you had no Nandipha. That's how they got to know him. You had like a modeling agency, something like that. It's how he used to take abantwana babantu abayisemahotela abadlwenguli. Lo baba lo. Phela umuntu akekho right. I don't even know ukuthi Concord imnike kanjani laptop last month. Ngithi even none. You can't be serious right now. Lo muntu i-laptop uyayisebenzisa kadlali nayo. Have you heard him speak? Yazin, you'll be finished. there at court wakwakhuluma for almost 30 minutes ukuthi, I'm done, my lord. This is my last. So my lord, you said you were done 5 minutes ago. Usakhuluma. Very, 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 very clever. Hey, for someone who wagcina education yakhe e-primary, very, very clever, guys. Yapostpone i-case yabo, but it's coming back with this one guy being released. Ngapha uNandipha Makotobane is still being criticized ukuthi wamfunani umgulukudu wesigelekeqa sesigebengu. Udokotela, whole doctor, like, what would you care about ngalowo muntu lo? Hey guys, yabona ulimi lika Thabo Bester lashelela. I'm sure unaye uSmithing uSisters in Love wathi nje ngeke lo omuhle ukuthi kangaka ngiyamuthanda ngiyamfuna umuntu wami. Guys, you don't know the dynamics. You don't know the dynamics. That's my line. Ukuthi kwaqhubekani between these two people. So guys, I was still saying ukuthi baningi abantu abase-G4S abangena kule nto ababengangeni nowhere, who were actually not even involved in the syndicate of taking out Thabo Bester out of the prison ngale ndlela abamkhipha ngayo. So Mr. Masukela was one of them who was working at G4S. He walked out scot-free ke manje. Everything was withdrawn. Kwathiwa hamba ke bhuti, walk free. Ayikho vele into oyenzile. But the question now is it gonna sue? Uyazibuza ke manje. Kuyasabisa. Uyabona ukuthi ile nto vele sihlalele kusenzo meyiwa life accused. Uzibuza ukuthi hey la. Abantu phakazi baze under life usenzo meyiwa. Now what's gonna happen now? It is a problem. It's the same as one guy who was actually nabbed, let's put it that way, la kusenzo meyiwa uzama ukuhle usa funa imali ku state. So ukuthi babe menza untanzi in a way naye. I'm just like, oh, hayi guys kuningi. Sizoke sime lapho ngile ndaba yalo mgulukudu Thabo Bester, who continues to manipulate things there in prison. And bamlalelayo njengalaba base-Con Court abamnikeza i-laptop ungazi ukuthi for who and for what. Thank you so much guys, ngithanda over. I just wanted to add indaba kaNandipha ukuthi abantu bebethi she's lost weight, bekudabukisa indaba kababa wakhe. You know ke people are gonna take you to Twitter and be like bakudonsa njengemopo. But you say ngalo muntu loyo. She brought this to herself. Singena kubuthini ngoba singeni nowhere. Look busy libeleni imzweli yabhala omunye usisi wathi ngimzweli. She asked for this. Like I'm saying guys, I don't think she did it. Yazi isikhathi I'm saying ukuthi asazi ama dynamics wayengababoni ngoba there was a time where I even felt before they went to Tanzania, I even felt ukuthi Thabo Bester manje is holding her hostage there in their house in Hyde Park. She was like wena awakwazi ukukhuluma, awakwazi ukuphuma la, bathu bemhlukumeza in the end, mhlukumeza in before they went to Tanzania. So guys, please, ngazisho lezi ntana abantu throw the most, eh? Yeah, no. Asibeke lapho guys. At that time, Thabo Bester was in sunglasses, guys. What's that all about? Inside court. That's just like gag. And then the representative yakhe is busy saying, you know, when he is supposed to give me instructions, what must happen? Yay. Baby, I understand the Leon. Because no, he will raise his hand. You'll go to him. Hey guys, it's hard, eh? Hey guys, let's just face it. This case has been postponed or November. This case, Thabo Bester and the co-accused, are still on in 2026. It's not gonna happen. It's definitely gonna be in 2026.